Today, we're diving into how Africa's traditional foods got swapped for imports and what that really means. So, foods once called poor man's food in Africa, now they're pricey superfoods in the West.
So how did we get here? How did nutritious, local foods get pushed aside for imports? You had this diverse, indigenous plate, and colonialism swapped it out for just a few starchy imports. Take maize. It's a staple for millions, right? Well, it's not even from Africa. The goal wasn't nutrition. It was all about cheap, fast calories to fuel a workforce. And it wasn't just maize. Imported white rice was also pushed over the native African kind. See, the polishing process strips out all the good stuff. You're just left with empty calories. Okay, but were the original crops really that much better? Let's check the numbers. The difference is huge. A 2024 study found yams have 5 times more protein than cassava. And it's not just protein. Yams are also packed with essential minerals like potassium. You can see these local crops were absolute nutritional powerhouses. No question about it. But the story gets more complicated. The world eventually noticed their value, just not for Africa's benefit.
So, you see this pattern, right? African knowledge gets patented abroad, and profits rarely come back. And all this economic control really boils down to one thing: who controls the land? The best lands were fenced off. Africans were pushed to rocky soils and given maize to survive. So, instead of food for local people, the best land grew cash crops for Europe. This created a massive imbalance, exporting raw goods, then importing the finished products. But now there's a movement to reclaim that control. It's called food sovereignty. It's not just about having enough food. It's about the right to define your own food system. Yeah, this says it all. Food isn't just about what you eat. It's about power. So it leaves us with a big question. If you don't control your plate, can you truly control your destiny?